They are
the ones harassing us.
Yes.
And Nigeria police did not do anything to stop them.
Yes.
And we are very sure that it is on camera.
Yes.
That I don't know what to call them, but they are busy shouting.
I call them fanatics.
Yes. You are very right, comrade. They fanatically, brought us to embarrassment in open space, in the full glare of the public. They were throwing stones, throwing gibberish at us, abusing us, embarrassing us, harassing us, threatening to inflict grievous and bodily harm against us in the presence of Nigeria police.
This is the way. This is the way.
You can see us. We are walking en masse away from court premises. Yes. Gbogbo ayé ló rí bí àwọn fanatics ní gbogbo Ìlọrin ní fanatics o, àwọn Alakatakiti tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tẹ̀lé wa báyìí ṣe ń lọ wọ́n wà lẹ́yìn wa.
Hello.
Police did not caution them. This obviously is an invitation to anarchy, but as peace-loving citizens of Nigeria.
Oh yeah, when them are born.
Yóò jẹ ẹni tí ó ń gbẹ.
Ọ̀pá ilé afọ̀ tí wọ́n ti parí ìgbẹ́jọ́.
Àwọn máa ṣe wá léṣe. Ìdílé yìí jẹ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá ò ṣe nǹkan kan. Ó dá mi lójú wípé tó bá jẹ́ ìdàkejì ní pé àwọn èèyàn ti wá ló ṣe báyìí, ó dá mi lójú gbangba pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá máa ti ṣiṣẹ́. And justice must be clearly seen to be done in all situations. Justice is not a one-way traffic.
Yes.
Justice is for the complainant. Justice is for the defendant.
Oh yes.
And justice is also for the entire public.
Oh yes.
So the Nigeria police should uphold justice.
Yes.
Nigeria police should forestall violence, threatening us with grievous bodily harm.
Yes.
Oríṣiríṣi nǹkan náà sọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn, èèyàn kan ò ní kúre, èèyàn kan ò ní ṣe kíní kan.
Àwọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n bọ̀ yìí. Àwọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Àwọn kan ni wọ́n sì ń lọ wájú rẹ̀. Àti wà junction.
Everyone, let's gather behind the lawyers. Please, let's gather behind the lawyers. Please, let's gather behind the lawyers.
Some of them.
Ẹ ya fídíò wọn.
Ẹ
ya fídíò wọn. Ẹ rí wọn.
Ṣé rí wọn?
Àwọn Boko Haram.
Àwọn rí ṣe rí wọn. Àwọn nìyẹn o. Kà sí.
Barrister Banks there. Barrister Odesanya.
Yes, yeah. Where is Banks?
Barrister Banks in law. Every Barrister Banks there. No. Every Barrister Banks there. Everyone there. Oye wa. Akí gbogbo yín o, akí gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa, màmá wa tó wà ní lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi Barrister Odesanya. Barrister Kunle Odesanya láti Èkó náà ti wá lórí kéèsì àwọn ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ assembly ló rán àwọn wa ti rán láti wá ran lawyer Banks lọ́wọ́ kó má jẹ́ àwọn nìkan ni wọ́n ṣe kéèsì. Èmi náà orúkọ tèmi Adédàmọ́lá Ọlálékan tó lè sí àwọn Yorùbá lẹ́sìn ló rán èmi adẹ̀jọ́ pàdé inú àti Barrister Kunle gan ti mọ́ra wa láti kò tẹ́lẹ̀ so jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ yẹn kó tún ṣe é ṣe dáadáa. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilé ẹjọ́ lèyí gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ a gbé preliminary objection wa ìtakò wá sí ẹjọ́ ti upper area court nílùú Ìlọrin. A sọ fún wọn wípé wọn lè mú ènìyàn wa Abdulaziz Adégbọlá pé kó wá jẹ́ ẹjọ́ kan náà níwájú ilé ẹjọ́ méjì pé nítorí ìdí èyí kí wọ́n da ẹjọ́ tí upper area court nù ká lè tẹ̀síwájú ní ti magistrate court. Ní kó fílẹ̀ kó máa lọ lé kó má jẹ́jọ́ mọ́. Àwa ń sọ pé ẹjọ́ yẹn kó jẹ́ sójú kan nítorí ẹ̀sùn náà ó jọra wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí a wálé ní fún ruling fún ìdájọ́ ráńpẹ́ orí kò kí ń ṣe final judgment, it's just a ruling. Bàtà wálé ní fún ruling lórí ẹ̀. Àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà tó gbé ẹjọ́ wá wọ́n sọ pé a lè fi ẹnu lásán gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì nígbà ká mú formal application ká kọ sí ìwé ká mú wá. Àwa dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ilé ẹjọ́ mọ̀ wípé kódà àti ẹ̀ ti fi ẹnu lásán sọ lọ́gán ilé ẹjọ́ ti kọ́kọ́ gbà wá láàyè àti ń fi ẹnu béèrè bẹ́ẹ̀lì ẹ̀ àti béèrè bẹ́ẹ̀lì ẹ̀ àti jókòó. Barrister Alhaji kí lorúkọ wọn náà Adégòkè àwọn ni wọ́n represent olùgbẹ́jọ́ kejì tó ń jẹ́ olùlò Babátidé ṣẹ́ni kọ́dún ti wá wa wá bí ìgbàta àwọn náà ti dìde lọ́yà Babátidé náà ti dìde wọ́n ti béèrè fún bẹ́ẹ̀lì Babátidé and nínú òfin yìí ẹ̀sùn tó fi kàn wọ́n ẹ̀sùn tó wà abélébù ni kò ń ṣe capital offence wọ́n pààyàn wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n allege ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa pa wọ́n ní àbí tó máa fún wọn ní ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére ṣe understand so àwọn wá ń tọ́ sí pé káwa lọ gbé formal application àká lọ kọ́ sí ìwé àwa dẹ̀ ń rí láìlé judgement court of appeal nínú kéèsì tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ dáadáa ni Káṣímáwo Abíọ́lá kan náà versus Federal Republic of Nigeria nígbà tó wà ní high court ẹnu lásán oral application ni wọ́n fẹ́ fi gba béèlì ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n high court ò gbà nígbà tó wá lọ sí court of appeal court of appeal wá sọ pé wọ́n a lè fi ẹnu lásán gba béèlì níbù ní high court ibi tá a dẹ̀ wálé ní upper area court tá a wálé ní kò ní agbára tó high court yẹn tí wọ́n ní a lè fi ẹnu lásán gbà ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn gbogbo atótónu àwọn adájọ́ wọ́n sọ fún wa wípé àwọn ò lè yí ìpinnu àwọn dà wípé kí a lọ fáìlì formal bail application bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ kó dùn wá ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé tá a bá lọ sí kálọ̀ àpílẹ̀ ó dá a lójú pé appeal court appellate court yẹn so to say ó dá a lójú pé wọ́n máa yí nǹkan tó sọ lédè dáa ṣùgbọ́n èèyàn wá sì wà ń bẹ̀ so nǹkan tá a máa ṣe ni pé a ó fi ìdájọ́ ráńpẹ́ tì ní a fi ilẹ̀ kó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ a máa fi ilẹ̀ kó wà bó ṣe wà a wá make sure pé a file bail application yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ilé adájọ́ ti sọ àwa sọ pé a fi ọjọ́ mẹ́ta láti file bail application wa báwọn ẹni nítorí wípé wọn ò fẹ́ kí èèyàn wa kó jáde wọ́n ní ọjọ́ méje làwọn fẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n adájọ́ ò gbà wọ́n ní káwọn náà gba ọjọ́ mẹ́ta kí a lè tètè padà wá ṣe béèlì yẹn. So wọ́n wá ti wá sún ẹjọ́ yẹn síwájú sí next week Wednesday September 20 wọ́n wá sún ẹjọ́ yẹn sí àwa sì ẹjẹ́ ká fi yòókù sínú a máa ṣe àádẹ́ sáàbùn in fact a ti pinnu pé ọjọ́ mẹ́ta tó fún wa gan an nílùú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta láàrin ọjọ́ kan a parí ẹ̀ àádẹ́ sáàbùn olómìnira fún wa tí agbẹjọ́rò ọ̀rẹ́ mi my learned friend wà ní tí wọ́n bá ní àfikún àbí àyọkúrò wọ́n lè fọ́.
Ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa, but you can all see the correlation àti mọ nǹkan tó ń gún nínú ìbò. Now nígbà táwọn ń court a gbé application wọlé ìkànnù wọn àwọn tó pẹjọ́ ó sọ pé kán má grant ẹ̀ ní bail láti lọlé ipe kò gbé bí nínú pé kò gbé jurisdiction kò gbé Kwara but ìgbà tẹ́fẹ́ lọ mú Ìbàdàn ẹ mọ̀ pé Ìbàdàn ló ń gbé ẹni yóò pààyàn kò fàdíyà kò súnlé kò ń ṣe àmọ́ọ̀bà ọ̀nà mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin yẹn ló fi lè gbà bail nínú same court lọ́ọ̀yà Adégòkè ó ń fi wé adájọ́ pé ẹnìkan tẹ́tí pé ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ earlier the same application ló gbé wá ilé ló ń gbà wá báwo ni tiwa ṣe jẹ́ so ohun tí ilé ẹjọ́ ṣe lénìí well lawyers ló wá ó kù díẹ̀ káàdì to me personally I will believe a judgment will sign in Almighty God.
Thank you very much.
So MIT law.
Sir, English update, sir.
English update.
Yes.
Okay.
Briefing you.
Thank you very much. Our no objection. Before I start, my own name is Adedamola Olale Kosholesi. The counsel beside me, his name is Barrister Kunle Odesanya. We are part of the legal team. We are more than this, we are not less than 5. But for one reason or another, we are the two responding to your questions and giving press statements as the case may be. Yes, our preliminary objection against the direct criminal complaint filed against our client and one other person at the upper area court in Ilorin came for ruling today. And while the ruling sets aside or overruled our preliminary objection and dismissed same on the ground that the case is not an abuse of court process. We, in our wisdom, applied that the plea of the defendants be taken. In spite of the objection of the prosecutor, the lawyers, the complainant's counsel, so to say, the court in its infinite wisdom deemed it fit that their pleas be taken and they pleaded not guilty. The charge was read to them in English and translated in Yoruba, interpreted in Yoruba, and their plea before the court, in open court, is not guilty. So we now use the opportunity to ask for the bail to make an oral application in accordance with the express and unambiguous judgments of the learned justices of the Court of Appeal in the case of Abiola versus Federal Republic of Nigeria. In that case, the High Court, Court of First Instance, disallowed an oral application for bail on the ground that same must be formally brought. They must write it down, file it, pay, and serve the other party. They must do it formally. But the Court of Appeal, on appeal, they overturned it, saying that at the High Court, oral application can be made for the bail of an accused person. And if we look at our administration of criminal justice laws and even the Federal Act, that is the procedure. And as we were continuing, We were allowed to begin with. We asked for the bail orally of the defendants, but the complainants counsel, their lawyers, they must be more than 20. They objected vehemently, and rather than allow us to finish up with our arguments and the court to rule one way or another, the offenses alleged against our clients being maximally bailable, the court refused and ordered that we must make a formal application. We are not happy with this ruling, but we deem it fit to take it in the utmost interest of our clients, so that we will not be lured into another battle on appeal while our clients continue to languish in correctional services for bailable offences. So that is the situation in court today. And the matter was adjourned to next week, Wednesday, the 20th day of September 2023. And by God's grace, on that day, we shall move the application, and we know that justice will prevail. Then finally, I would like to say, as we all know, that this case, we have a twin case tomorrow at the Magistrate Court, Ilorin. In that case, we shall be moving our formal application for bail before that case, before that court tomorrow. And I will enjoin all of us to be around to support Tani, Olohun, Adebola, who has not committed any offense whatsoever in the books of the laws of the Federation of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Any question?
I want to ask a question.
That's it, sir.
Looking at the way we are being ambushed by this people that are our opponents, I'm looking for the safety of our people. Now that they continue to tail us to wherever we are, right from the court premises, they tail us to this location, which is almost 500 meters away to the court. So I'm thinking, I don't know if it is something possible that we walk to the nearest station so that security be provided for our people, because they are laying ambush and they are telling us. I don't know if that is possible.
I think we can even use this medium to call on the Inspector General of Police.
Yes, Commissioner of Police.
Yes, to take charge of this matter. It appears so very glaring that the Para State Police Command is giving these people undue respect. We make bold to say that if the otherwise have been the case, that the people at this side of the divide are the ones threatening violence, we know that the Para State Police Command would have swung into action. We say no to lack of justice. We say no to lack of equality. We are all Nigerians, irrespective of our religion, our creed, our education, or whatsoever class we may think we belong to. We enjoy the same rights under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and we must see it. Justice must not only be done, it must be clearly seen to have been done. And justice, as I said earlier on, is not a one-way traffic. It is a three-way traffic. Justice for the complainant, as the case may be, justice for the defendant in this case, and justice for the entire public. What are the public seeing now? What is the public seeing? What are they seeing? They are seeing threats to violence without police cautioning them properly. Yes. This must end. And it will end.
We are still being ambushed. Let's have resolved this.
Yes, they have not been shown. They have and we are very sure that by the time this case will definitely come to an end, the war will be put to shame. Thank you.
Friend has said, we were in court today challenging the jurisdiction that this guy was standing in trial where he has succeeded. He has instructed people and as a result, he wants to So it is right not pending in the upper area should be poor and be turned down on our leave that at the again. We went further to convince the court that they should allow our clients to be coming from home, which is allowed under the law, but we were refused. What we are seeing now in Kwara, it is pathetic. This is barbaric. It is no longer a prosecution but persecution, and we are disappointed. We are calling on the IG to listen to our plea here. Right now we are being abused. Unfortunately, the current Attorney General of the Federation is from this town. Whatever happens, their names should not be mentioned. We are calling on them to show the line of righteousness. History will judge everybody. We will be in court tomorrow to hear the bail application for this same our client. Well, it's so clear, even to a deaf man or a blind man rather, who can hear, he knows the position of law, that every bailable offense, the application, what is it called? The defendant must be admitted to bail. And in this case, our client here has spent close to a month for an offense that he did not commit. And the CJ, the Attorney General, and what have you are in this state. That is not the position of law. He is entitled to have been admitted to.
Can the name of the judge be named? Can the name of the judge be mentioned? Can be mentioned?
No.
Okay.
We will get there. It's left to the reporters to investigate.
All right.
Thank you. It is barbaric. We are disappointed.
Thank you very much. So
we are still being ambushed. We are still ambushed.
Èyí ni ọ̀rọ̀ ká ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu lọ́yà àti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ láti ẹnu lọ́yà.